Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Is this the intro? Let's cut to me buying or winning your guys' giveaway prize.
An item that I want on Whatnot for you guys is going live right now. So I'm screen recording, she's showing us the purse. I'm gonna bid on it. I had this show bookmarked. I'm going live in an hour. I'm a fiend for Whatnot. So let's see if we can get this speedy nano for you guys. We got it. How cute is that for you guys? I'm so excited. That's so cute. Yay! You guys, I want to keep this bag so bad. All done.
Okay, so you guys saw what I won. It's here now. I got you guys this Speedy Nano Louis Vuitton. It is still stuffed, didn't use it or anything like that. It's obviously in vintage condition, but if you guys want to win this, I will be hosting a Whatnot the week this goes live, so within 7 days. You guys just have to follow me on Whatnot to see when I go live, like have the notifications on, because I would say like I'm gonna go live at this time, whatever, and announce the winner there. But you guys know, if you were in my last Whatnot show, that Lucy doesn't always cooperate of, you know, when I can go live or something. If you guys want to win this Louis Vuitton Speedy bag, just go on Whatnot. You can use my link and get $10 off your first order, but this will just be a giveaway. I'm just gonna hop on a live really quick and do a giveaway through Whatnot, because that way it's international shipping, so anybody can try and win this bag. It's just you guys from the YouTube videos that can come in and try and win. And also, I will never ever comment under one of your comments that you want to give away. I know we were dealing with some spam messages last time, and I'm so sorry that happened. I wish YouTube was better at regulating spam and scammers, but they're not. I went in and I blocked that account as soon as I found out, but of course I'm not on my phone 24/7. I didn't get to see it. Also, if somebody replies to a comment, I don't get a notification, so I didn't see those comments until you guys point them out to me. But I will never ever tell you guys to message me on any app. Make sure when you see if I respond to a comment, my name's always highlighted so you'll know it's actually me. I just want to put that out there so you guys don't fall for those kind of things. But if you want this bag, just follow me on Whatnot. You'll get a notification when I go live. I will announce the winner on there. I will not comment on YouTube. Yeah, we picked the Miu Miu giveaway winner already. I still have to ship that out because, again, you know, time is just a little bit different over here now. I have one other giveaway purse in here. I'll show it to you guys because I got it on Whatnot. So I'll show it in this haul, but this is the giveaway for this time. So follow me on Whatnot, use the link to sign up, and then we'll do the show there where it's just the giveaway and you'll guys see it. So that's the Speedy. It's so freaking cute. I don't normally like Louis Vuitton. Amanda and I were literally talking about how we like the Speedy, and the Speedy Nano is so stinking cute. I know it's a pretty like hard one to get your hands on, so the fact that I have this and I'm giving it away, sad. I just am excited to like give away things to you guys. So that's the Nano. I can't stop talking about it. It's so stinking cute. And the crossbody strap, it's the original one with the Louis Vuitton logos, all that stuff. It's so cute. Amanda and I were also talking about how Lucy's gonna grow up one day and like find out I had that bag or the Miu Mius or whatever and be like, why would you give those away? I'm gonna say, you don't understand what my subscribers meant to me. I'm opening a LaCroix. Let's get into the stuff I bought for myself. Starting off with these little capris. You guys know I'm obsessed with capris right now, and I'm really trying to buy things that are more practical and not so like just for me to wear in videos. I like having, you know, some things in my closet to show for videos, but I need more stuff that I wear day to day because that's where I feel like I'm lacking. So these Adidas little capris are like more flare out at the bottom. They're just like a straight leg cut, and they're honestly so cute. They're like a yoga pant material. They're just super comfy. I can see myself wearing these all spring and summer. Super sporty look with just like a baby tee and running sneakers, or my little like windbreaker jackets. I just filmed a video where I like styled these capris, but I think it comes out after this. So there's that. Then we've got, I'm just gonna go in order of my pile. So a lot of Whatnot sellers, first of all, everything on Whatnot, you guys already know, is like insane deals. And now that a lot of you guys are shopping on Whatnot since my last video, I'll get DMs where you guys are like, I'm literally addicted. Like, I'm spending spending so much money but getting so much. It's the best online shopping app, no doubt in my head, especially if you're trying to find like steals, like thrift store prices. Somebody explained it really well that was talking about how I showed it to them, and they were saying how it's like Shein prices, but it's, you know, great quality clothes and vintage clothes. So a lot of Whatnot sellers will get like pallets or dead stock. So that's what this seller had. So they had this vintage bikini in their lot of items. Oh my God, it's like a tankini, which I just think will be so cute in the summertime, especially with my mommy milkers. And trying to keep them in a suit, I feel like this tankini is perfect, and it's brand new. It has like the, you know, sticker. It came with the matching bottoms. It's very vintage, like high cut, which I think will be really flattering. I thought it was just like cute stripy color. I think tankinis will be my way to go. Like, look at this tag, so stinking cute. This is something else you guys saw in one of my videos. It's this vintage, but it is vintage, Hollister skinny scarf. It's a little knit one. And I styled this with like an outfit so many of you guys loved. And I was kind of against the skinny scarves, but now I'm just thinking of it as like a neck accessory, not like a scarf. And I think it's really cute just to throw it on with outfits. It feels like that ribbon. There's so many ways to style this because it's so long. I feel like it's just something I'll like throw on in a lot of my outfit videos. And once I start like getting dressed day to day. Okay, this one I love so much. This is definitely like a spring mix of clothes, which I like. I found, like I've said before in my other videos, you guys know from like my vintage capris and stuff, there are so many like vintage nightgowns and vintage, like true vintage material clothing on Whatnot, which I said before is so hard for me to find like in real life at the thrift store. And then also I have not been able to shop real life at the thrift store because of Lucy, like just sitting on my mom just showed me her poopy diaper. So just sitting at home, like while breastfeeding, being able to scroll and Whatnot is like the way to go. So it's this little vintage nightie set that you guys already know I'm gonna wear in real life. It's baby pink, but like almost white. And it's like the most beautiful, like ruffly and lacy and little pearl details. And it comes with the matching shorts. I think this in the summertime with cowboy boots is gonna be the cutest thing in the whole wide world. I can't wait to like put that outfit together for like a summer lookbook when I actually like get dressed. Okay, next thing I got, there is a lot of active wear on Whatnot as well. So I knew I wanted a pair of leggings. I've talked about that, so I just picked up this pair. I don't even know what the brand is. Oh, they're Guess. That's why they're nice. They've got a nice like V-cut front, and they're just like capri leggings. There's really nothing to say about them, but I think again this is something I'm gonna love in the summertime, spring and summertime, you know, dressing it down. But no, it's okay. Okay, I don't remember what I was talking about. So we're moving on to the next item. Something else I've already shown in my Valentine's Day outfits. These little pinstripe capris that just remind me so much of like in like 2nd or 4th grade. If I had to dress up for like Christmas mass or like something like that, I would have like a pair exactly like this, and that's what I would wear. And now pairing them with like knee-high boots, I think it's pretty cute. I'm not sure where I'm gonna be wearing these. I'm happy that I have them, and I think they're very cute. They're originally Gap. Cutie. Okay, then this is something else I've already shown on, and I showed it in my Valentine's Day lookbook. It's like a denim, almost drop waist, pleated, like mod dress. And I think it's like the most beautiful cut. It's MSGM is the brand. Literally looks like brand new. I thought it was so freaking cute. I want to get the bottom hemmed, and a lot of you guys were saying that I should get the waist up because it's a drop waist, and I'm like, that's the point. I like the drop waist. I wish the waist was honestly lower. I like that look of it. Just like, it's not about like it needs to be up on my waist and tight on my waist. It's supposed to be more like a shift dress with just like a drop waist and a little pleated bottom. So I think it's so cute. I didn't even explain what Whatnot is because I just feel like most of you guys already know, and kind of showing the process of it. You understand, but you can get anything on Whatnot. Like, I always just show clothes, obviously, but you could get like trading cards, you could get records, you could get literally anything. A lot of people sell like mid-century modern plates or decor or stuff like that from like estate sales. There's just so much to find on that app. That's why it's so addicting. You can go into like the luxury bag section, obviously, or just like the vintage clothes or new with tags, and they're just live auctions, and you just go in and bet on what you want, and like you can get things for $1. Like I have things in this haul I got for $1 or $10, or you know, like insanely cheap pricing. Obviously, if you follow somebody with more followers, the prices are going to be more expensive because there's more people bidding on it, more watchers. But if you find somebody with only like 10 viewers or even like 20, 30 viewers, like you can normally get things at their starting bid, which is really, really nice. And sometimes you get things for so cheap that they literally have like, you can tip your seller, because it is if you guys watch my lives, you know that like sometimes I struggle with it. It is like hard to do the lives, and it's definitely like putting in work just being on the live. So if you feel comfortable, you know, like you can go in that section and like tip your seller, whatever, if they have that little option available. Because sometimes I'm literally like, I'm getting these prices or these clothing pieces for so cheap, like I need to tip you for like being on here, being on this live for 2 to 3 hours and like showing all these like amazing finds. Okay, so I saved a giveaway purse that's gonna be like for the next giveaway. Actually, I'm not gonna show that yet. I'll show that when the next giveaway comes. But I saved the most controversial item for last, and this is what Brandon literally bullied me for so bad for getting. I can't even hold them up and show you guys. I got these Diesel sneakers. They've got one like Velcro strap across the front, and I just think they're cute. I'm not gonna style them in like a high fashion way. That's not the point. I wanna wear them with some tube socks when I go camping, with like my capris, or with just, you know, some jean shorts, like in a very dad-esque way. Brandon said they look like the dad who yells at you for like going on his lawn, and I guess that's what I wanna be. So yeah, I know I'm gonna get a lot of mixed comments about those. You probably won't even ever see them in a styling video, because that's, again, not the point. They're not for styling. Like I said, I wanted to buy stuff for more everyday wear. As I just said, I'll never know when I'm gonna wear these pinstripe pants. But yeah, so make sure to follow me on Whatnot. Use the link in the description to sign up if you want a free $10. But for my show where I do the giveaway, you won't need any money. You can use that $10 wherever you want. So follow me on Whatnot, turn on the notifications so you can see when I go live to do the purse or give away the purse. And then what else was I gonna say? If you don't like the way that giveaway is, I'm sorry. It's the easiest for me, and I'm the one giving it away. What was the other thing though? Oh, I will be going live on Whatnot again soon. Again, I can't just like say a time and date because I don't know, but I have a lot more stuff to actually sell on Whatnot for you guys. And you know, we do the starting bid, it's at $1, 15 seconds, sudden death. We keep the prices cheap over at my Whatnot lives. So that's that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.